Imagine one AI model that can talk, write, draw, and even understand emotions all at once. That's not science fiction. It's called a foundation model, and it's the reason AI is moving faster than ever. So what exactly is a foundation model? In simple words, it's a massive AI brain trained on everything: text, images, sounds, and data from the internet. Instead of being built for one task, like recognizing cats or translating languages, it learns patterns across all kinds of data, and that's why it can power hundreds of apps from ChatGPT to Midjourney to Google Gemini. Fact 1. Foundation models are trained on huge amounts of data. Think of it this way. If normal AI learns from a textbook, a foundation model reads the entire internet. These models, like GPT-4 or Claude, are trained on trillions of words and millions of images. The more they see, the more they understand context, meaning, and creativity. That's why they can write essays, generate code, or create music that feels human. Fact 2. They can adapt to almost any task. Once a foundation model learns the basics of the world, you can fine-tune it for anything. A legal chatbot, a medical assistant, or even an AI that plans your vacation. It's like having a universal engine. You just change the steering wheel depending on where you want to go. Fact 3. They're changing how technology is built. In the past, companies built hundreds of small models for specific jobs. Now they use one foundation model as a base and customize it for each product, saving years of work. It's like switching from building every car from scratch to using a single chassis for all vehicles. That's why tech giants, from OpenAI to Anthropic to Meta, are racing to build the next big foundation model. So to sum it up, a foundation model is the base layer of modern AI. It's what allows new apps to appear every week without starting from zero. Here's the practical takeaway. If you use AI tools, you're already using a foundation model, probably OpenAI's or Google's. The smarter you get at prompting, the more powerful it becomes for you. If you found this simple explanation helpful, hit subscribe for weekly AI insights from AITimes. Let's make the future make sense together.